So I competed in the Rotorua region, and it was quite tough because there was about 45 of us there. It was us and the Waikato region in the same competition, and we had about 8 to 10 really technical tasks in the 13-tonne excavator, like the one behind me.
We're looking forward to the ice cream one. If I can get to the ice cream one, I think I'll be doing really well.
Really manage your time quite well. There's not much free time to just work things out. You just got to get in there and do the best you can. Here is a lot harder, a lot faster, and yeah, the competition is right up there. So there's a lot of big dogs and top guns.
The winner is Excavator operator, Excavator operator.